In this video, we're going to look at our muscle setup and all the geometries that we have to make this muscle setup possible. So first of all, we are just going to look at the back muscles here. I'm going to press this play button on the Adonis FX, and you will see that we will be able to modify our back muscles in almost real time, and you can see like how much jiggle and how much muscle motion is happening in the legs. And now you can see some of these back leg sensor activating, like, you know, as they are becoming red, we are seeing more activation in the legs. This was just the back muscles, so now let me show you the full muscles. So all these muscles are connected to this skeleton using the Adonis FX, and above these muscles we have this fascia layer, which is a layer right on the top of the muscles, and then we have a fat layer. So this is the distance between the muscles and the fat. So in the end we have the skin layer, which is right on the top of fat layer to give us all the small and fine tunings of the skin. So this is our full file with the animation. So now if I press play, you will see that we are going to move from pre-roll to the animation, and then you will also be able to see the simulation that's going on in like not in real time, but you know, I think the speed is decent enough to see like your progress. So now you can see like all the deformations in the leg, and this is the outside layer, the skin layer that we are looking at, and the deformations that we are seeing. So like now I can just export an Alembic file of this to see this in real time, and then I can try to merge that with our animation. We will be able to decide whether we want head from animation and the body from the muscle simulation. So now with the ease, you can decide how much like, you know, activation do you want in the muscle, and how much jiggle do you want in the fat, and how much wrinkle you want in the skin. All of that is controllable right here inside Maya, and you can decide whether you want animation more or the muscle simulation more. So all of that is covered in this in our chapter 3 muscle simulation course. So yeah, hopefully you'll find these quick videos useful to understand what we are going to do in these 3 courses. Thank you so much.